we are out and about. Me and my square glasses. You know, tell them about my square glasses.
He just did eye surgery, guys.
You're wicked. Eye surgery. So we're in Midtown, Miami, and we are on Northeast 2nd Avenue.
We're doing that thing.
Just come out of Wynwood,
This much.
and we're heading south on Northeast 2nd Avenue, heading downtown.
Why though?
Because we're going to lunch. I'm taking my baby to lunch. Although she pay.
Says who?
Boy. So we're going to lunch, guys. We're gonna go find somewhere to eat. Yeah, we've been on the road. We've been at the eye doctor.
Yeah, he went to get his eye checked for the first in his life.
Why you keep saying that? It's not true.
The first since I've known you, which is all your life.
It's not
I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, I've never seen this man tested his eyes because he claimed to have 20/20 vision.
And what did the
so-
doctor say? What? As a matter of fact, the guy in the
The guy says something that don't make no sense. They say his eyes better than 20/20, but he
Thank
needs
you.
glasses.
And my eyes
It's like
are
a reverse thing.
my eyes are of optimal level.
I don't know but that makes sense. That makes sense too.
My eyes are so good that
It'll hurt him.
it's not.
It's too good for his own good. That's
that
what the
don't make
guy
no
said.
sense. The
That's
guy
what the
never
guy
said my
said.
eye hurt me.
No, but he's saying your eye is too good for your own good. How is
My
that?
eyes are so good that I can see the little things, my pores on my skin. I can see them, you know, and
But him can't see the
I got
steering wheel.
superhuman eyes, you know. But
Oh yeah, so much so that because of that supernatural ability, it kind of puts a strain on his eyes to have to adjust from that microscopic
Thank you.
tendency to
To
do
the long
normal, right?
Yeah, so they're using glasses.
I've never heard anything like that before.
That's
but
because
it's-
you don't know how super I
It's coming
am.
from the professionals, and trust me, the eye doctor that we went to is one of the best in the country.
Well, we went to Boscombe Palmer.
Yeah.
Big up Boscombe Palmer
Yeah,
Eye Institute.
one of the best in the country. Yeah, so
Yeah.
I
The,
kinda-
the name is on this? Oh,
If
it's
it was
part
anybody
of
else,
UM.
if it
See
was
that? Put-
anybody else,
Zoom in on the
yeah,
lens.
it's I think it's the Eye Institute
Zoom in on
associated
it.
with.
Show them the lens, because
Ah,
show
that
my
might
eyes so
see.
good.
I don't know if it's
Zoom
actually-
in, zoom.
Yeah, University of Miami. Pick up yourself. Right, so we're
So that's
waiting
it.
on his glasses to be made up, the prescription to be filled. What do you call it when you get the glasses done? Oh my gosh, look at those cars. They're cool, right? They're so cool.
So why you don't, you know?
No, it's not about them right now. So cool, right? Are you guys seeing it? Oh my gosh, I hope so. Alright, let me switch the... No, I can't switch camera.
Yeah, you can switch.
How do
So
I
we are gonna do this thing. We are gonna on the road. Watch your car, them. See the
Live.
car, them so nice. Yeah, look at the car, them. How the car, them
If you
nice.
could catch up to them, they would be nice.
And look at this Mercedes Benz Jeep. You want one of these?
This is how we roll down in the MIA. yes. And we're in a Lamborghini.
Liberties.
We're in a Lamborghini, but you just can't see it through. We're in it. But yeah.
Because we are in it, you can't see it.
Well, yeah, we're heading downtown, and this is one of the main attractions of.
Metro. Well, you have to hold your hands down.
Miami.
You can't see.
You can't see.
We're in the metropolis. We're in Miami now.
Right, so we're heading to a Bayside.
Yeah, Bayside.
I don't know if you guys can see, but the Ultra Music Festival is about to go down this weekend. It's spring break.
Yep, and see all them staging,
And
the
so-
stage them.
All of the staging is being set up right now, and they're blocking off the whole area down here for that purpose.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it's about to get crazy. It's always crazy, and there's always some little thing, some little incident or the other. But hopefully this year is incident free for their sake. Yes.
Cause me nah go.
Yeah, so that's what they're doing. Dance to the music as well. It's a hip hop.
Yeah.
Yeah, hip hop festival.
And see all over there, the whole of over there, so you see the stage, you know. So one of the ultra stage.
Yeah, the stage is
Look on this, look on that stage, I see. You see how big it is?
Wow, look at that stage.
See how big it is?
Crazy, huh?
That's all hip hop music and the most of things, you know.
Yeah, bunks and rang.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. In the room, say no bar, we can do it anyhow. I and I will see you through. 'Cause every day we pay the price to deliver sacrifice. Jamming till the jam is through. We're jamming.
Bunks and ranks come from mash up the place.
Famous baseline.
So we're here in downtown Miami. Let's do the turn. Let's do the turn. Turn, baby, turn. We're here in downtown Miami at Bayside, and we just want you guys to get a 360. Yeah, 360 of what's going on down here. Show Andy Garcia.
They're like $1,100.
Who are these people though? I don't know them. Who are those people?
It's a Channing Tatum. You can turn on now. Channing Tatum.
Him I know. Magic Mike I know. Jada I do know.
Adam Rodriguez.
Don't know.
Ride Along 2.
Isn't that a movie?
Yeah, that was shown in Miami.
Oh, okay.
Kevin Hart.
Okay. Big up yourself, Kevin. My brethren from long time. We don't know.
Ice Cube.
My next brethren. Long time I don't see you, but oops.
And
Yeah.
yeah. The Bayside side.
Bayside it
Alright,
is.
stop it back this
A
way.
marketplace. Different shops.
So we're here, guys. And you have that way, you have that way, and for now we're just going down towards the ocean itself. Any tourist is like a tourist destination.
Make them like Vegas here.
Do a 360. Come to the 360. And those of us who live down here, we're dressing for the weather because it's a little bit cold today.
Yeah, while
But everybody else
shorts.
in a pair of shorts and them something there.
They're used to frigid weather and we're
Yeah, let me
not.
show you the water. Yep. Hard Rock Cafe down there, sir.
Really now, I can't see ya, and I feel breaking up is hard to do. Loneliness, yeah, this feeling, yeah, burning, burning deep inside.
Hello, my love. It's getting cold on this island.
Baby, you know that I still care.
I'm all alone.
All alone,
I'm so sad on my own.
really now.
The truth is, we were much too young.
Young and innocent, young and innocent.
Now I'm looking for you
Looking for you too.
or anyone like you.
No one knows time, so nobody try.
We said goodbye with a smile on our faces. Now you're all alone. You're so sad on your own. So alone. The truth is, we ran out of time. Now you're looking for me or anyone like me. What can you be? What can you be?
Don't know what we princess, cause I mind over my tongue. I am the one that gonna love you forever. Some will change, but I will never. Your love is a treasure, it's my pleasure. I will never let you go, never let you go. I'ma let you know. Lonely girl, let me show you. Gonna give you all the loving I owe you. Yeah.
So alone, so alone, so alone.
Yes, I know I miss you. I really, really do. Baby, baby, feel it now.
Hello, my love. It's getting cold in Jamaica. Hey, I'm all alone. I'm so sad on my own. The truth is, we were much too young. Now I'm searching for you.
And we got some tables by the sun as well if you don't want to be here in the wind or inside. You guys change your mind? You can always ask for me. My name is Ellie, okay?
Oh, okay, Ellie.
Awesome.
Baby girl, I miss you.
What can you feel? What can you be?
Watch her, I try to tear out. I try to find one strawberry in the cup. Watch it, watch it. Watch it. Mind you broke the glass, my girl. Take it out the one strawberry. You know, throw it out and take it. See my drinks here. And see Joshua food over there, so. Otherwise, we would not be able to go home today. I promise you.
Yeah, bunks and ranks.
Ooh, yeah. Well, all right, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. And the rules ain't no lie, we can do it anyhow. You know we'll see you through. 'Cause every day we pay the price, we'll deliver sacrifice. Jamming till the jam is through. We're jamming.
Bunks and ranks come from mash up the place.
So that's it, guys, from Bayside. It's been an awesome day. We walked around a little bit and did a little bit of dining at the Hard Rock. You see it in the background. And there,
A little bit of shopping.
she did a little bit of shopping.
Like, a little bit.
She just bought one thing.
Like, tiny bit.
But there's so much to see here. If you're in Miami visiting, or if you live here, a good Sunday afternoon, especially if there's not a heat game, you can always come on down to Bayside and, you know, just enjoy what is here. Next time we come, we're gonna go to the Knife and Lombardi's, and there's good restaurants here, good food here. So yeah, we do a 360.
And it is just so relaxing, you know?
It's a nice
And
vibe.
we might
and-
even do a boat ride.
and we'll feel like tourists. Yeah? Trust me. So once again, we invite you to come on over and to join us on Yardabelly TV when we go out and about in SoFlo. I promise you, it's going to be an awesome time. Yeah?
Start here with SoFlo, but with so hit other states.
Yeah, SoFlo we'll start, but we'll go everywhere else. I promise you. And the little boy not up on the trip, yeah? So we'll make sure to carry food for him, otherwise we wouldn't near the end of it.
I know.
You know, he would have probably tried for earth we in our sleep. All right, so the background look good. See there? Background look nice. What was it? Miami to the world. The world. Out and about.
Victoria Beats. Hey yo, Victoria Beats.
Look at this store. See, With the snake. Nice. Jamaica.
Oh, I remember something super cute. So you just already, you have something here? Take a picture, but don't get me. It's a real close up phone. Man, somebody make it look like an angel from picture. You're gonna love that picture, right? Shout to her, I want her to see it. So cute, right?
Hey yo, Victoria Beats. Hey yo, Victoria Beats.